Well, I showed you my zipper cream peas when I planted them the other day. But I got something coming through here and just nipping the tops off of them. I think it's a widow wabbit. And maybe I don't know whether I should come in here and replant these little patches, because without those top leaves, they're probably not going to make it. So I think I probably will. Go down and buy some more seed. I'm out of seed. Tell me what you think it is. Is that a wabbit? He's just mainly taking out this first row. But he's coming through and just knocking the tops off of it. Something is. Let me know what you think, if that's a rabbit or if it's a bird maybe eating the greenery off the top, the leaves. I don't know. I don't think I've seen that before, or at least not that widespread to where I noticed it. So let me know what you think. And I don't think I can put I don't have a fence to put around here. I could use maybe some bird netting or something and probably keep the rabbit out, but if they wanted to, they could tunnel under it. So I don't know that I'm going to do that. I don't know that it'd be worth all that trouble. Electric fence, maybe, if I got it just right off the ground, you know, inch or two off the ground and another inch or two above that. And, you know, if they get bit by one time, they'll leave it alone. So I could do electric fence, and I'll think about it. But anyway, let me know what you think that is, if that's a rabbit. I don't see any visible or recognizable tracks. Something's been in here. They've disturbed the dirt around here. Something small, but I don't. The dirt is so is different where I just don't. I can't tell what kind of track it is. Anyway, let me know what you think. If that's a rabbit or if it's my imagination. But something's getting my dang peas. Something is zipping my zipper peas. There's a bee on that one. Now, what in the world would a bee want with a pea that ain't made yet? I don't know. I know they ain't eating them. Something is. Let me know what you think. Rabbit? I do have rabbits, so that could very well be it. I've never noticed them really interested that much in my garden, but it could be because I've always planted enough for them and me, and this is not a large patch, so maybe that's the case. Anyway, let me know what you think, and we are gone.